Hello kids! Once upon a time in a colorful jungle there lived a parrot named Polly. She had bright green feathers and a squawk that could wake up the whole forest. Parrot loved exploring and making new friends. One day, as Parrot flew around, she saw a group of kids playing in a meadow. Parrot landed on a branch nearby to get a closer look. One of the kids, named Raj, noticed Parrot and waved excitedly. Parrot chipped back and Raj introduced her to his friends. They all loved Parrot's colorful feathers and playful personality. Parrot noticed that one of the kids, Maya, always looked sad. Parrot asked Raj about it, and he could hear that Maya was feeling lonely because her family had just moved to the jungle. Parrot had an idea. She gathered all the animals from the jungle and surprised Maya with a big welcome party. Maya's face lit up with joy as she realized she had new friends who cared about her. From that day on, Maya was never lonely again. A little girl and Parrot became best friends. And together with Raj and other kids, they had the most fun and adventurous time in the jungle.